So this is what we're looking at. That tree, I don't know, it must have been 35, yeah, probably about 35 feet tall. And I'd been climbing up in that thing last year. I made a video trimming up the lower branches. And I guess the windstorm just got the better of it. Yeah, that thing's hollow. That seems to be a problem down here. A lot of these trees are hollow. I know some, I don't know what this is, but some of the other trees in years past that we had problems with were blackjack oak. I think they were hollow. But I'm going to get started cutting it up. And I may have to get in the water. I'm not sure. But I'm going to set you up and we'll see how it goes. So it's early the next morning. Well, I say early, it's probably 8:45. And yesterday about wore me out. I was pretty tired. It was really humid. But I'm going to try to get the last of this done and get out of here. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Yesterday I said I didn't know what kind of tree that was. Looking at the bark and some of the leaves. And now I found this. It's an oak tree. I don't know what kind. I know there's such thing as a pin oak, but I don't think that's a pin oak. It might be a variety of it. Little Frank. Little Frank, what are you doing, buddy? You gonna come over here and help me? So I guess you saw that I dropped the saw in the water. We're going to get a new battery and see if it'll keep going. So it's been about 3 weeks, I think, since I was last down here. I came down to start getting this stuff cleaned up a little bit. Maybe in another month or so I'll be able to burn. But today I'm going to start cutting some of this up into size that I can build, a size that I can put into the fireplace. That's all the brush. And then right here I have some logs. I'm gonna try to split some of that. I don't know how good I'll do or how long I can hold out. So I got that first pile taken care of. Here's the results. Got some wood ready for the fireplace and a big stack of cut up branches that I can burn over here in this burn pile.
The smell of fresh cut timber, the crash of mighty trees. With my best girl by my side, we'd sing, sing, sing. I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
I cut down